Got a few nice opt-ins for you as well. Let's check out the CSS code that we're using for here. All right, so the opt-in module comes with its own like description area that you can use, but I just prefer to use Divi's default text modules for those areas. So you'll see I'm just using a text module for those areas because they're easier to control. And so I'm actually telling it not to display the description that's in the opt-in. So just put your title and your description in a text module and you'll be fine. It's way easier. And then this code here, 400, 300 pixel, that's doing this, the code for this guy right here, which we went over in the general video. It's a background image, and this code keeps the background image visible and a height of 400 on tablet, 300 on mobile. The only code we got here is on the first one. The newsletter form was having some padding left, which means it was kind of over here, and I wanted to be lined up right here, so I got rid of that padding left, and that's it for the opt-in. The other opt-ins came in just fine. So yeah, that's all for the opt-in.